Nothing. You see any leaving? It seems like it is.
It seems like it is.
So, that was a failure. Nothing happened either way. Anyways, it's pretty late here, so we're gonna head to bed. It's a very slow leak, so the automatic bilge pump will probably come on once or twice during the night. But that pump is just like a nuisance pump. Like, it just gets rid of nuisance water like this. So if it becomes a bigger issue, we've got really big issues. Let's go get some food. Season 3, here we come, bitches!
The bilge pump kept going off last night, which tells us that the leak is just still consistent. It's not being like stopped by the wood swelling. I'm gonna talk to Steve, the previous owner, and hopefully he has some answer for me, like to say like, oh, it was doing that before, it's not a big deal or whatever. Just so that we can feel a little bit more relaxed. We will have to wait until next week, maybe at some point. I don't know, because Chris is working. This is our only week off to take the boat over and have it hauled out on straps. So that's on the side for now. We're not sinking, we're just taking on water. But I think Chris is going to try and hook up the power to our panel over here. So that'll be good. And then we can hopefully run electricity to our fridge. Anyway, I'm gonna have my coffee now and watch the new episode of Sailing Uma, because I want to know if they're gonna sell their boat or not. I don't think they're gonna sell their boat. They're too attached to it. Anyways, talk to you guys later.
We decided to convert our icebox into a fridge. It was clear that an icebox wasn't going to cut it when it came to storing fresh produce, milk, or even just cold drinks. We needed to pump the water out every few days and replace the ice just as often, which, after crunching the numbers, we realized spending the money on a compressor and plate would actually save us money, time, and wasted food.
This bracket means, or is meant to be fastened either on a horizontal platform, like that screw and the two at the back, or on a vertical platform, like all these holes there. This spot, you can do both, so I'm just overkill with 8 screws, so 4 on the bottom, 4 on the back, and we'll see. Hopefully that does something for the rattling, because it's supposed to be a little bit noisy. And William sleeps not too far from here, hopefully far enough away that it doesn't matter, but just in case.
But like all of our projects, this is one that has been in process for a while. There are very few instant satisfaction jobs, but like everything with sailing, you can't really be in too much of a hurry.
I gotta get my...
Just give me 1 minute. Let's see if this thing works. I hear it. If that means it's working, I'm gonna throw a drink in and do a cold drink test.
I did it wrong. 100%.
Upside down?
Yeah.
You film it?
I did it upside down. I did all the other ones the right way up, but I wasn't thinking. Yeah, it's so cold. Alright. This is take 2. Not important job at all, but...
Yeah, our boat is sinking and we're like, oh.
Stop. You're the one who was drilling holes for no reason just a minute ago.
That's you.
That'll be the name of the episode. Drilling holes for no reason.
So I don't know how to fix the hole in our boat, so we're gonna install a fridge today.
It's evening. I don't know what time it is, probably 5 o'clock. Yeah, it's 5:05. I'm pretty good about guessing time. We are gonna go get some dinner in a little bit, but right now Chris is having a little lie down because he is a sleepy bye. But I fancy myself a cold drink. So let's see if my drink is cold. I wouldn't say it's frosty, but it's definitely cold. Nice.